All right, guys, here's a little quick update. Let's check out this product here, Beadcoat ceramic sealant. I applied this about a week and a half ago to this car. I washed it. I did a harsh APC wash with Green Star, let's just say from Koch Chemi, whether it's APC or whatever it is. But at Green Star, I did the foam, did a hand wash with 3D soap, and then I applied this on there. I really like the product. All right, let's go take a look. It's raining today, and she just got back, driven through the rain. Don't mind the hood because I just did something else, video on the hood, so that's clean. But I want you to see the sides of this car and the rest of it and how clean it's kept itself while driving through the Vegas streets, which are very full of dirt, mud, gasoline, oil, you know, all the construction kicking up on the car. It's got the big, well, it's got bigger tires, SUV tires and stuff, so it kicks all the stuff up there. Let's go take a look at this. All right, guys, so here's a look at the vehicle, so you can see some kick up flying there. Look how clean this is. Now down here you expect some of this because it's right behind the tire. She's turning through the dirt and mud, but look at the top of it, nice and clean. I don't really want to touch it too much. The bottom panel is dirty. Bottom back. Let's check out the back of this. All the dirt rolls off this. These are the backs of these vehicles are notorious for lots of dirt and grime. Not too bad, a little bit. It's been washed off because the bead coat was on there and the water hits it and really cleans it. The cleaning ability is very good there. I mean, look at this. That looks, I mean, you almost say like that looks kind of washed until you look down here. So that's quite impressive. That's a week and a half's worth of dirt. And I'll tell you what, I want to wash this vehicle and see how easy it is to clean it. So let's do some parts of it. All right, let me get a couple towels here. Got some towels, guys. By the way, if you want to try Beadcoat, you can get it over at Autoforge.net. I got myself a couple little towels. I'm gonna put, this is clean. I just did another video on there. Get a little bucket here. Let me get set up, hold on. All right, guys, I got the Carolina detailing cart all set up. Got my towels. Where are my towels? Oh, I got my towels over here. Let me just put one. I'm gonna put it, I got some Rinseless wash here. That's my own home brew of Rinseless wash going on there. All right, let's go over here. As you can see, very dirty. Let's spray this down. All right, so there's no real big knockdown. A little bit of toppage. All right. Got my towel. Let's go over here, and I'm still gonna start with the top. Dude, you guys, this feels amazing after putting that bead coat on there to wash over this. Let me show you. Look at this, and it comes right off. Look at the dirt. Boom. All right. My towel's falling apart. Hold on. All right, a little bit of recovery. All right, look at the dirt there. I'm gonna flip the towel, get it like this, and we're gonna wipe over it. So some guys will clean their car, and then they will leave that dirt on there. I don't mean all this, but they'll have some little drips, and then they'll dry it, and they'll say, oh, it doesn't feel like it cleaned it right or something. Yeah, because you need to keep washing it. So this side's dirty. We're gonna flip the towel around to this side, put it on there, and we're gonna go over it again. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Nice and lubricating underneath the towel. Look at that dirt. Wow. Now I have a little bit here, so this would not be good to dry. Not yet. Let me fix the towel. Hold on, let me come back. I got one hand. All right, I flipped the towel around. We've got another clean side. So really I've used 3 sides just for this one door. It's so dirty, especially down here at the bottoms. The top wasn't bad at all. Now, guys, now we can dry the door. See, the third side still had a little bit of dirt left. I tell you what, you want to see if there's any dirt left on the fourth side? We'll go top down one more time. Barely any dirt left. All right, guys, from there, this is what you do. You grab your bottle of C6 mist. Exactly what I was working on the hood with. You grab your bottle of C6 mist, you give it a good spray like that. Spray across on top and the bottom, and you wipe it dry. Yes, yes. Feels good. Not super slick. Feels good though. Nice, clean. Feels good. Nice and slick. I can feel Beadcoat slickness. C6 slickness. Yeah, it's okay. Look at the difference right here. You guys can see that. All right, that's cool. Let's do the other door. You guys want to talk about how fast waterless is? Well, we're doing it in front of you. The car came up off the street. We got Beadcoat. We got some type of protection, whatever you like. And all we're doing is wiping. Let's do a fast wipe here. Get the big gunk of it off. Now we're going to flip it to the back side. Let's go over one more time here. Flip the towel around. I've got two sides left on this towel here. We'll go over this door one more time just because I know I did the other door 3 times. And I tell you what, I see that this is also taking off any kind of tar that kind of kicked up on there. There was a little bit of some extra formidable street grime. 1, 2. Spray the C6. Get the Car Pro Hydrate. By the way, guys, all of these products except the Rinseless Wash Homebrew are over at Autoforge.net. Woo-hoo, look at this. Damn, that's good. Guys, I'm going to show you one more quick tip. So say you start out in this car and you start going down, and I told you the bottom is real dirty, but we stop about halfway here because it's pretty dirty, and you don't want to put this dirt on that bottom part right there. But what you can do is still use this dirty part and get this cowl, and then you can wipe this cowl all the way down. Now look at, I just wiped it and there's nothing on there. So you've dirtied part of it. Let me show you again. You've dirtied part of it on the upper half. You get that upper half and you wipe that whole dirty bottom layer with that same part. That's going to really clean up a lot from the towel all in one swoop. Then you flip your towel and go about your business again. All right, guys, well, I'm pretty much done with the car. I just pulled up and I said, let me make a video of this. It's clean, you can still see the sky. Oh, I saw some people drive up and get in that black car. They came with another car that had like a parking violation sticker on it. So I think they parked their cars, because I don't know that car. It doesn't live around here. I think they just park them way back here so nobody steals these cars. That means I can go ahead and play with them. It's not like anyone in the vicinity's cars. So I saw them though. Anyway, they split. So back to this car. Look at how clean that is. That is the homebrew. I take it back. That's Beadcoat as a base, done a week and a half ago. Rain today, washed, rinseless washed with homebrew, which is my own concoction. Don't worry about that. And then sprayed with C6 mist and dried. Look at that. I didn't do the wheels. Look at that. All right, so very simple. Get your rinseless wash, wash the vehicle, spray your C6 mist as a drying aid, whatever towel you like. I use Carpro Hydrate for these quick ones today. And the base coat, that is very nice. This is a good update video for this. Very easy to clean right now. Looks very bright. Beadcoat ceramic sealant. And it cleans so easy. Look at the gloss on it, guys. This just drove through all the rain. There's still water in the street. This is a good product, guys. Try this out. Go over to Autoforge and check out all their products, guys. You can even get the cool detailing cart that I use with all the different accessories. Like I say, they carry all this stuff over at autoforge.net. And leave any questions or comments you got below. Thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know what you think. Crazy day. It's been raining here and I've washed both cars, and it's gonna rain again, but I'm in the car washing mood. Rain doesn't scare me, guys. Not when you got rinseless wash products. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes since I put the C6 mist on there, and it's cured to a nice slick finish. Yep, both cars. I put it all around. Yeah, so initially it's not that slick. It's slick under the towel when you're using it, but you know, when it's wet and you're putting it on, it's slick. Flip the towel and you're drying it, it's not that slick. It seems like it should be, right? It's a drying aid, but the lubricants are in the liquid. So give it some time, come back and fill it. Both cars feel real good now. Now we've got Beadcoat and C6 on there. Use C6 every time you dry it. Keep adding to it, adding to it. It's not very long lasting, but you keep adding to it and you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. Yeah, that feels good. Cool.